Hey guys, it's Mr.EasyBB from AvacWeb, and today I'm going to teach you how to optimize your forum. Today I'm going to show you the top 6 things to do to boost your website's performance and get some users to your site. Alright guys, so you go into your website and go down to your administration panel. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1 is to start a weekly or monthly newsletter. By doing so, you boost your users' confidence in its administration and moderators, as well as gives them hope in your website altogether. Newsletters are interactive for you and your members, and it'll get your users more involved, as well as it's a great way to advertise some new features or upcoming competitions. The way you get there is go into your Generals tab, come down to Newsletter, write and send. You can do rich text with HTML or just simple text. You can do a no reply or a Candyman design. I usually do no reply. You could do all members, your moderators, or other groups that you have. You just write a subject so that when you get an email, it says new to blah 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 website. And you just write a bunch of stuff in here. Like I said, it's a great way to advertise new competitions coming up or new features. So just write whatever you want in here. Okay, so now let's get to number 2. You should fill out your SEO, which is right forum promotion and right here. Okay, so for your homepage title, you're gonna do it better than this. So you're just gonna say, we're just gonna go off AvacWeb. AvacWeb. Let's just see what AvacWeb's description is. Oh, it's easy. Though for your description, you're gonna want a little bit more. Just describe it, whatever. And then you're gonna start writing a bunch of keywords. And then you can go here and add more. And just keep going. You can go as far as you want, and the better thing to do is just add as many as you want and make sure you save. Okay? Now I'm going to talk a little bit more. To fill out your SEO form the best that you can do, this will help sites such as Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines to get a hit on your site. Keywords are essential. Do not be afraid to use these. And then, like I said, just make sure you fill these out as best as you can. You can add them as much as you want once you start getting further into it. Now let's talk about meta tags. Adding meta tags is also important. I've listed a few great meta tags that you can use, and now that ForuMotion offers different varieties of meta tag and linking options, this gives us great freedom for some awesome possibilities. Alright, so we're going to go here. First off, we're going to just click regular. Just select that and you'll get a name attribute that you have to select, and then a content attribute you have to select. Let's pull this up. Alright, so the first meta name, we already have our description, which we don't need since they already offer that. Google site verification for certain APIs. You're just going to write the name as Google site verification. And we're going to go into here and just write exactly what they say. Then add it. Now we're going to add another robots. Now they already offer robots, but what if we want to change it? Well, we can. Simply go robots. Now I'm going to give you no follow and no index means no robots. It's just like right here, it prevents the page from being indexed. No follow prevents the Google bot from following links from this page. No snippet prevents a snippet from being shown in the search results. Node P, I'm not sure, Prevents the alternative description from the ODP DMOZ from being used. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but yeah. No archive. Prevents Google from showing the cached link for a page. Unavailable after, and then you're going to put a date. Lets you specify the exact time and date you want to stop crawling and indexing of this page. No image index lets you specify that you do not want your page to appear as a referring page for an image that appears in Google search results. And then none is exactly the same as no follow, no index. So we'll just write this in ours and we'll add that. Now we have that. Now let me talk a little bit more on the better parts now. We can, if you know Twitter cards is when you link to a website or share a website. Well, now we can personalize this just by simply adding these. We can do Twitter card, and you're going to add a couple summary, and then we can add another one, Twitter URL. This is going to be the URL of where you want to link to. Now, I understand that some of you guys want every page to be linked to Twitter URL. That's okay. We can do that with JavaScript later, and I might show you guys later how to do that. Excuse the noise. Okay. So we're just going to leave that one undone for now so that you guys can understand what's going on. The Twitter title is the same thing. You're going to add the title, the content. This is for people who know that their page is going to be frequent. Twitter description, you can add a description. In the Twitter image, you can add the image to show on the Twitter card. Now here's another one. And this is in the meta tag, so we're going to show you that in a second. Facebook also does this, just like the Facebook card. Now with meta property, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we can still use it. Just add it into the name attribute. Before I get on to the next meta tag, you can see that we can link JavaScript now. We can link CSS sheet, and we can link an RSS feed. So if we wanted multiple RSS feeds from, like, say, AvacWeb or EasyBB tutorials when it was open, we can do that now. Linking JavaScript, if you wanted to add a new jQuery source, you just add it into here, and then it'll link it. Okay. Number 3. Always have a form of communication. Let it be private messages, or better yet, the chat service FM offers. Now we all know AvacWeb has its own injected chat, which offers us much more freedom and a better service to offer to our members, so don't forget to enable that on your websites. You can simply enable your chat by going to your admin panel, modules, coming down to the chat box, configuration, and activate the chat box. If you're going to use AvacWeb, make sure it's do not display. Number 4, socially connect with your members. FM already has 2 great options, which are Facebook Connect and Google+. You can find that in this modules tab as well. Facebook Connect, you have to add your app ID, your secret code, activate Facebook Connect module, activate the automatic login, and activate friends invitation message. It's simple, you just do this, bam. And Google+. This is the one I was talking about earlier, right here. This is a Google Plus card. You can add that to this now. This isn't my actual one, this is from a demo that I read from. And you just click it and link it and submit it. So now, if we go to our test site, inspect, go to your head, Google site verification like we've added, robots, no follow index. So now here's 2 different meta tags. I'm not positive if it's like CSS. The last one should override this first one. and then made a Twitter card, content summary, link publisher, and equals the publisher that we've added. Number 5. Get rid of your ads and buy your own domain to give your site that official feel to it. Don't be hesitant if you truly are dedicated to your website. Why not go all out for once? You can also buy the copyrights to edit your toolbar more and do a few more special things in ForuMotion. It's easy as this. You can go and buy your ads. You can see right here how many ads you can get, or how many months of ad free you can get. And your domain name, you can add anything you want, but you have to buy it for 1,600 credits, and it has to be available. Okay, the last one is going to be back into the Generals tab, go down to Statistics and Google Analytics. All you have to do is add your Google Analytics code, and bam, you now have tracking, and you can actually see the users who have been visiting from around the world. Well, that's it for me. Hope this helped you guys, and will help you gain some more traffic to your sites. Don't be afraid to ask us questions or ask me to get deeper into any of the topics I've suggested. See you later.